Ladies and gentlemen, in this question we are asked to solve for x and y simultaneously. This question is suitable for grade 10s and grade 9s. So let's go, ladies and gents. The first thing you do when you solve simultaneous equation, you need to make sure that your terms are aligned. Ne? So you need the variables to be on the left and the constant to be on the right. So the first equation is set up properly. Your variables is 2q minus, remember here there's a 1, they won't show you. So it's minus 1p is equals to 3. Now I'm going to realign this one in such a way that it aligns with this one. So our equal sign is here. The 4p must be here. It's still on the left, so the sign doesn't change. The 3q must come and be here. So it must jump and come to stay there so that it can align with that one. So it's going to be positive 3q. You see? This one is plus 4p. So here I took this guy there so that it can align with this one. And then the 10 must go that side. So it becomes positive 10 so that it can be aligned with a constant. So a constant must align with a constant, a p must align with a p, a q must align with a q. So the order here doesn't matter. You can start with p's and the q's must be there. It doesn't matter, but make sure that they are aligned. And then you have 3 aligned with 10. Constants also align. And then after you do that, ladies and gents, the rule, like always, is the same. You bracket both your equations. This number must multiply here. This number must multiply there. So the first coefficient must multiply the second equation. The second coefficient must multiply the first. So they swap, you see? They form an x, you can see, right? Perfect. Now let's multiply. This times that is 6q. This times that is minus 3p. This times that is equals to 9. This times that is 6q. This times that is 8p. This times that is 20. Ladies and gents, I'm sure you notice that this will be equation 1, this will be equation 2. And after you do this step, always your first terms must be the same. If they're not the same, it means there's somewhere where you miscalculated. You need to check your work. So let's go on. We are always going to say equation 1 subtracted by equation 2. Always. Equation 1 subtracted by equation 2. Okay? So now let's see. If you check here, ladies and gents, we're going to do this. This part here is going to be, the first equation will stay the same. The second equation, the signs will switch. Why? Because we're saying we're minusing the second equation. So we're making all the signs of the second equation opposite. So this one will stay the same. It will be 6q. We're going to minus by 6q. It becomes opposite. This one stays the same. This one becomes opposite. This one stays the same. This one becomes opposite. Now let's see. This will cancel, guys. This and that is what? It's minus 11p equals to this and that becomes minus 11. Then dividing both sides by negative 11, we can see that p will be equals to 1. Alright? And then now you can pick any equation. You can pick this one or that one. In this case, I'll pick the first one. I'll say 2q minus p or minus 1p equals to 3. Alright? Then I'll say 2q equals to 3 plus p. So I took the p to the other side. And this leads to 2q equals to 3 plus 1. Remember? P equals to 1. So where I see p, I put 1. And this leads to 2q equals to 4. Dividing both sides by 2 will make q to be equals to 2. And your p is 1, your q is 2. And that is simultaneous equation solved. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bahula Clinton. The link is in the bio. Let's grow the Seguros army together. Help me to share this type of content and my channel to your friends and family members so that we can all benefit. Thank you very much. Tango.